Doing you guys a favor again. Even though I don't really wear these, we're doing you a favor. We're about to review these again for the channel, so stay tuned. Back by popular demand, we have our Forcefield Crease Protectors, Forcefield Elites. Yes, the Elites. I don't know how elite they are, but we're gonna find out. Yeah, we're gonna throw these on foot and see how they do. I'm gonna make sure I go through these with a fine-tooth comb so that you guys don't spend your hard-earned money without knowing what you're buying first. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel as usual so I can keep bringing you guys these fly-ass videos whenever I feel like it. All right, we're taking a look at the Forcefield. Well, you know, the second iteration. These are the Forcefield Elites. Well, we're gonna find out how elite these are. One pair of Forcefields. This is a medium shoe crease preventer elite, $18, made in China, just like pretty much everything else in the world. It looks a little bit different from the original Forcefields that I had before, so it's looking to be a little bit of a slimmer, thinner, more ergonomic design. Size chart on the side for women, children, men, or anything in between. You know, box is a little bit dusty, but here's the breakdown. Forcefield shoe crease preventer elite features a slim profile for a more comfortable fit. I hope so. They fit seamlessly inside the toe box while protecting the shoe shape. I hope they really do, because the first ones weren't that comfortable, fam. They were kind of squishing up my toes. Now, I did buy these with my own money. This isn't a paid video or anything like this, so these are my genuine opinions. Ain't nobody paying my bills, so I'm gonna give you guys that raw shit. You already know how it is on my channel. Let's open them up live and see what we got. Now, if you guys remember from the last time, there wasn't much to it. It's just a box and the straight shoe shield. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at. Last time that we had these, they came in a white. This is a black pair, left and right markings, so you know which shoe to put it on. They changed the orientation of the adhesive strips here. As you can see, they go from top to bottom instead of left to right. This seems to be more of a torsional plate, a little bit of a thicker foam here on this Forcefield section in red. For the most part, it feels pretty much the same thing. They feel rather like they're the same weight as the last ones, to be honest with you, and I can't even find the old ones, but I will put a window here with a comparison of what the old ones look like. If you guys haven't checked out my other review with the Forcefields, make sure you check that video now. It's probably the best, most highly viewed video on my whole channel. Go figure, it's not even shoes. But anyways, we're here to see how these fit in, and what are we gonna use today? What shoes are we going to use? We're gonna use the Jordan 3 Desert Elephant. Make sure you guys go check out that review. I just released them. These are the grown man shoes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this crease protector and I'm going to remove the adhesive strips just like so, as per the directions, and I'm going to jam these up as far into the toe box as possible. This is actually the right shoe and I have the left shoe here, so obviously you got to make sure that you read your damn markings so you're not putting them on the wrong one. So we got a little bit of the actual glue there. Ooh, yeah, be careful with that when you're removing that. You might remove the whole glue itself. Now, if we're looking at the profile, I do suppose they are slightly thinner, especially in the midsection, but they almost feel like, I mean, they're a little bit lighter. I will give them that. They're a little bit lighter, but they feel like the same build quality, and I'm not sure about how much more sturdy this red part is, to be honest with you. It feels like slightly more firm than the foam around it, but I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, to be honest with you. They did change the adhesive strips, so hopefully those are a little bit more better, but I hope these don't squish my toe as bad as the last ones. Them things were squishing up my toes something fierce, man. So anyways, we got the adhesive strips exposed. I'm gonna throw this inside the shoe here and see how easy it is to install. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a taco fold there, and I'm going to go as far up into the toe box as possible. Now, these shoes do have those bungee cords, which makes it a little bit difficult to get them up in the shoe, but for the most part, we're gonna jam her way up in there, fam. jammer like a turkey. You gotta stuff it like a turkey. That's what she said. Anyways, that's what it looks like installed, and you can see the tip of the shield there. Now all there really is left to do is lace these hoes up and put them on foot and see how much different they feel compared to the other foot, which has nothing in it, of course. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I got the shoes on and relaced. Don't watch my orange Dragon Ball Z socks. It is what it is. It's laundry day. Without telling you guys, I want to see if you can figure out which shoe has the sneaker shield in it. For those of you who forgot which shoe I put them into, let's see if you guys can tell which one has the crease. And we're gonna do right shoe hard crease. Right shoe hard crease. Let's go all the way. Somebody's gonna cringe. Somebody is going to cringe watching me do that. I'm not gonna lie. And we have the right shoe all the way crease. Okay, now let me know what you guys think about which sneaker you think has the shoe shield in it. In the portion where the sneaker does bend, I mean, if we're looking at what happens here, right, you can see there's some substantial creasing, and obviously I put the sneaker shield in the left shoe, but let's do the same thing when I really get up on the heel. I mean, it does have a substantial effect on the toe box. The actual flex area though, no matter what, you're gonna have some flex. It's just not as bad. Like it doesn't completely fold over on itself like it does on the other shoe. It does do a good job of staying intact and keeping the toe box in shape, especially in the mid portion of the toe box right here where you're getting all these lines and these crease lines, and this ugly fold is gonna happen eventually. Fortunately, I went true to size with these so they don't crease very much in general. Please excuse the ashy ass hands. All right, just some personal thoughts about the product after having them on foot. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a live feed here. My only real plight with this is that the adhesive strips suck balls, man. They really suck, and you really are getting it like one good fitting on these before they're basically trash. You know, obviously it's their adhesive strips, so they pick up every little bit of dust. If you have pets or anything, like I don't even have pets, and somehow it's picking up dog hair and stuff like that. So that is my one plight. And the other plight is it might be a little bit awkward getting your shoe on to begin with, just because it does take up a little bit of room in the toe box, and that's to be expected when you're jamming some third-party product up into your shoes. But other than that, it's pretty much the same product as last time. I feel like this is how the product should have came the very first time. Better than the Crep Protects? I don't think so. Now, really, these are supposed to be made for Air Force Ones, as you can see here on the box, but you can put them in other similar type toe box area type style shoes, if you will, which is why I'm using the Jordan 3 Desert Elephant, because it does have that kind of boxy toe box kind of a feel to it. So these really are made for Air Force Ones if you guys have them. Anyways, what do you guys think of the Forcefield Elites? Did you guys get them, and are they worth the money? Do you have them in your Air Force Ones? Let me know in the comment section below, man, because I don't know about these crease protectors, to be honest with you. I don't really rock with them. Wear your sneakers until they get creased and then get new ones. I don't know. But if you're looking to, you know, hold on to the pair of exotics that you got and you can't afford to scuff, these might be a good option for you. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about these compared to the old versions, which are a little bit thicker, but to be honest with you, there's not much difference in my opinion. Are they worth the $22? I don't know. That's all speculation. Let me know in the comment section. Make sure you guys wear what you like, not what's hype as usual. I'll see you guys on another one.